Hey guys, this is not a vlog. I already did a vlog today, but it is literally hailing outside. I don't know if you can hear it pounding against the windows, but it's a really bad. It looks the size of, like gravel, like the gravel you can get at like the dollar store. About as big as that, or a little bit bigger. So I would just like say like you guys know my new favorite outfit. I've mentioned big, it's very big, so I like it. And then the pants are just my penguin pants. And then these socks are so sorry. These socks. These socks are so nice. What they're called? That's all the wrapping here. So they're called. I don't know if they have a Heat Plus. They come in men's too, so. Oh. So we just watched. Me and Mom, we watched Age of Adaline, which I highly recommend to mostly girls, so. I would say for them, and there's The Vow, which I don't know, I guess boys could enjoy it too. So. Sorry, I'm watching TV. Oh, Agent X series season finale. Oh man, I like that show. I don't know what I'm watching right now. There's no clue. Okay, let's go. So I'll probably just talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.